Today we discuss one more example on linear transformation. The question is express each of the transformation x1 equal to 3y1 plus 2y2, x2 is equal to minus y1 plus 4y2, and y1 equal to z1 plus 2z2, y2 is equal to 3z1 in the matrix form, and find the composite transformation which expresses x1, x2 in terms of z1, z2. So here we have given two linear transformation. One is from x to y, and second is from y to z. The transformation x1 is equal to 3y1 plus 2y2, x2 is equal to minus y1 plus 4y2 can be written into the matrix form. x1, x2, the coefficient of y1, y2 are 2, 3, 2. Here the coefficient of y1, y2 are minus 1 and 4, and y1, y2. Here x is a linear transformation of y. Similarly, the transformation y1 is equal to z1 plus 2z2, y2 equal to 3z1 can be written as y1, y2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 0 into z1, z2. Here, y is the linear transformation of z. Now, if you want to find out the composite transformation, what we have to do here, x is linear transformation of y, and y is linear transformation of z. So we have to substitute the value of y in this linear transformation. X is equal to ay, but the value of y is equal to bz. If we simplify, because this satisfies the associative property, ab into z. Now, x1, x2, x is equal to x1, x2. A is equal to, A is nothing but 3, 2, minus 1, 4. And B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0. Let us multiply these two matrices. 1 into 3 into 1 plus 2 into 3. First element. Similarly, 3 into 2 and 2 into 0. Second element of the first two. And in the same manner, we can multiply minus 1 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Then minus 1 into 0 and 4 into 0. If we simplify it, 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. 6 plus 0, which is equal to 6. Minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 12. Minus 1 plus 12 is 11. And minus 2 plus 0, which is equal to minus 2. So here we obtain x1, x2 in terms of z. So linear x1, x2, which is equal to 9, 6, 11 minus 2 into z1, z2. Here x is the linear transformation of z. Or we can write down x1 can be written as 9z1 plus 6z2, and x2 can be written as 11z1 minus 2z2. So this is the composite transformation which expresses x1, x2 in terms of z1, z2. Thank you.